Hello everybody, in this lesson I want to go over the song He Shall Reign Forevermore by Chris Tomlin. As always, I'm going to go ahead and play the song for you first, and then afterwards I'm going to break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So let's go ahead and get started.
In a stable for a throne, and He shall reign forevermore, forevermore. He shall reign forevermore, forevermore. Unto us a child is born, the King of kings and Lord of lords. He shall reign forevermore, forevermore. If I were a wise man, I would travel far. If I were a shepherd, I would do my part. But poor as I am, I will give to Him my heart, and He shall reign forevermore, forevermore. He shall reign forevermore, forevermore. Unto us a child is born, the King of kings and Lord of lords. He shall reign forevermore, forevermore. Here within the manger lies the one who made the starry skies, this baby born for sacrifice, Christ the Messiah. Into our hopes, into our fears, the Savior of the world appears, the promise of eternal years, Christ the Messiah. And He shall reign forevermore, forevermore. He shall reign forevermore, forevermore. Unto us a child is born, the King of kings and Lord of lords. He shall reign forevermore, forevermore.
All right, so this song uses 5 chords from the G chord family. The A minor 7 is thrown in there once in a while. It's not used very often, but the other 4 chords are used. The progression is from E minor to C add 9 to G to D over F sharp, and repeated E, C, G, D, E minor, C, G, D. That's almost the whole song, except when that A minor is thrown in at the very end of the verses. But other than that, that makes the song very easy to learn, because you have that same progression and every chord is lasting the same amount of time for almost the entire song. The strumming pattern for this song, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which is a nice easy 4-beat strum pattern. We have 4 down strums with an up strum added after beat 4, and then that repeats. So basically it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and like that. But we want to add some dynamics to that. We're going to strum harder on beats 1 and 3. So every other beat, we're strumming harder. And beats 2 and 4, we're going to strum softer. And that's just to add some dynamics, just to make it more interesting. So if I were to just hold a G chord and play that strum pattern slowly for you, it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.